All right. Hey everybody, welcome to Crypto Beast. And I wanted to go ahead and get in on this and provide some commentary with what's been going on lately. Now, everybody's been panicking, right? Everybody's panicking. Oh my gosh, the market's crashing. Market cap is down 40%, and everybody's just like, woo, what's going on? And I have a few theories. It's obvious, right? It's obvious that when you have this much of a drop down on the entire market, not just Ripple, not just Bitcoin or Ethereum or Dash, but I mean, as you look down, you can see consistently all red. You can see that not only the top four are getting hammered, but we're looking at, let's see, Litecoin, Ethereum Classic, NEM, IOTA, Monero, BitConnect, BitShares. The entire market is even Ant shares that just popped up recently. The entire market is going through some type of meltdown, and it's the end of the world, and everybody's panicking. But if you've been in cryptocurrency trading long enough, or if you've been in the game long enough, you'll know that this has happened before. This is nothing to panic. I mean, even Ripple, which hasn't seen, what are we at now? Ripple hasn't seen 20 cents in a minute. I mean, me being long, in the game long enough, I know this is nothing to worry about. And so a lot of people are panicking. Everybody's like, oh my gosh, what do we do now? People are jumping off of buildings, lighting themselves on fire. It's complete pandemonium and chaos, and what do we do now? And look, so the first things first, I want to start off this video by saying, if you do invest, right, invest at your own risk. You follow your own advice. You decide what is right for you and how to execute trades, right? Whether you're using Changelly or Shapeshift or whatnot. So just definitely be careful. Be careful on advice that you take. So this is my opinion on the situation. Should you panic? Should you sell? No. HODL. Hold. What are you doing? I mean, so is this some phenomenal? Is this something that you should panic about? Absolutely not. Matter of fact, if you're out there and you're selling and you're panic selling, you're losing out on money. And that's my opinion, because more seasoned traders are going to just go in and buy what you're dumping at low rates. I mean, sure, keep selling, because you're going to drive the price low enough to where I'm going to want to start getting into some of these other coins. So wow, I'm looking at that. Wow, Bitcoin is at 23.85. Ethereum is at 2.15. Ripple's at 20 cents. Litecoin is at 47.03. I mean, so do you panic? Like, what do you do? No, not at all. I don't think this is anything big. The market's not crashing. Here's what I think is going on, and it might be obvious. There's big money involved here. Somebody, I don't know who, and this is just a theory, but somebody's trying to scare people away from cryptocurrencies, and they're making big power moves. And the reason why I say this is because it's not just Bitcoin. If it was Bitcoin that was going down, that's different. But it's literally like the top 50, right? You'll have one or two greens in there or whatnot. Let me see. Which one hasn't been affected that much? Well, no, I'm all the way down to economy, Dogecoin. Dogecoin is down to 20. It's all red. And that tells me there's some type of uniformed attempt. I mean, when you got, number 1 through number 47 all red, that's definitely a coordinated effort to try to make cryptocurrencies look bad. And it's not working. It's not working, because this is not the first time this has happened. What's going to happen is that by probably tonight or tomorrow morning, it's going to be all green, and all the losses might be erased. I mean, I'm not going to exaggerate and say it's going to be back to levels that they were at, say, a week ago or whatnot. But don't panic. Don't panic. I mean, this is, if anything, this is a freaking great time to buy. If I were you and I had $100, and if you were on the sidelines right now and you haven't bought any cryptocurrencies, right now is a great opportunity to buy. That's my opinion. I would be buying all of this up. I mean, jeez. NXT is back at 9 cents. Let's see here. Um, what do we have here? Dogecoin is down at 0.002. Um, Jeez, I mean this just looks like a bargain. Steam is at $1.24. Steam was at $2 just the other day. Don't panic. Buy the dip. That's my opportunity. Well, that's my advice and opportunity. Did I sell? Absolutely not. I'm holding because when you sell at lows, you lose money. So hodl, hold, hoarder, hold. Don't panic. If you panic, then you got some explaining to do to the wife when she asks you what you do with those extra 2 grand in the bank account. Don't make that mistake and don't panic. Just this is a great opportunity to buy more. I know it sounds kind of insane or whatnot, but buy more. Trust me. I mean, Ripple's at 20 cents. Jeez, Ripple was at 44 cents like a few weeks back. So if Ripple was to hit 44 cents in the next 2 weeks, you would literally you would more than double your investment. So that's my advice. Don't panic. Stick with the market. Thank you for listening and tuning into Crypto Beast. I'm your host KO, and please subscribe. Thank you.